It's super crazy. Look at that tree.
Oh yeah, it's starting out walnuts.
It's like 2 trees. Is it 2 trees? Oh, it's 2 trees. Man, that's a lot of nuts.
It's 2 trees connected.
And it takes a lot of nuts to make a jar of walnut butter. 2 trees connected. Full life. Oh, that's nuts. Literally nuts. And that's 2 walnut trees standing together. Look cool. It's cool that they grow here. Apparently they're not very good though. I think they kill the grass. Look, they kill the grass underneath. And I don't think you can breed them in, like the stuff that comes off them. Oh, this looks dangerous. I want to play let's walk around, look at things. Mom! I want to look at the boats. Look at those. Those are cool. Bungholes.
Mom, let's play hide and seek.
I don't want to play.
Why? Step on a walnut.
Why? Because we're in a weird spot and I don't want to lose you.
No, lose
There's
me.
the spikes on them.
Why does there have to be so many spikes on them? Why does it have to be spikes?
They're pretty neat trees though. Look how dark and dense they are.
Dark?
Yeah, and dense. Look at the bark on them. It's slimy.
Ew, don't touch it.
I know. Oh, poisonous.
It's poisonous.
I think so.
Mom,
Just imagine big back.
let's play hide and seek.
No, I don't want to, honey.
Let's play hide and seek after.
When we get home, we can play hide and seek in a spot where I know where we are. I don't want to lose you here. Well, I might, because I don't know where anything is. Red brick. Come on, let's look at the water.
No.
Yeah. Look,
We didn't go to the water yet.
what kind of tree is this one? Well, it looks like a willow tree, but these aren't willow. Okay, well, keep sliding and I'll look at the water. What kind of tree is this? I like how it's got long, long arms. Because I like the beach. Well, I know I don't actually like the beach. I like the rocks.